tonight's organic Fatoush salad, traditional Lebanese style with a couple little upgrades. We're using arugula instead of romaine lettuce, adding some chilled steamed beets, and instead of pita bread, we're using gluten-free sourdough bread by the Simple Needs company. That's Kneads, and it's made with millet and teff and quinoa and amaranth and sorghum, so there's no potato starch or modified food starch or cornstarch in there, or fillers or xanthan gums or anything like that. It's just all really good quality organic gluten-free seeds and grains. The beets are going to add a great circulatory effect with the ability to enhance the nitric oxide release from the endothelial walls, so that means greater blood flow, greater oxygenation to all the tissues, great minerals like iron and magnesium and manganese. And so we have chlorophyll, we have vitamin K, we have vitamin C, we have potassium, magnesium, manganese. We have all of the organic volatile compounds from the spice blend, the sumac and the oregano and the basil and the paprika and sage, some electrolytes from the unrefined sea salt, and we have vitamin E. We've got tomatoes and cukes in there. So let's dig in and enjoy in good health, and we'll see you real soon.